Have you ever wondered how to manage your money more effectively? Or perhaps you're looking for a way to finally break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle? Well, the answers to these questions lie in the magic of budgeting. Budgeting is not just about crunching numbers. It's about understanding where your money goes, setting financial goals, and creating a plan to achieve those goals. But how does one go about creating an effective budget? Enter YNAB, or You Need a Budget, a game-changing budgeting method designed to help you gain control of your financial life. YNAB is built around 4 simple yet powerful rules. Rule number 1, give every dollar a job. This rule is all about intentionality. With YNAB, you allocate each dollar in your budget to a specific task, whether it's for bills, groceries, or savings. This way you know exactly where your money is going and you're less likely to overspend. Rule number 2, embrace your true expenses. This rule encourages you to think ahead and plan for larger, less frequent expenses. By setting aside a little money each month for these expenses, you avoid the financial stress that comes with unexpected bills. Rule number 3, roll with the punches. Life is unpredictable. Sometimes you may overspend in one category. Instead of feeling guilty or stressed, YNAB encourages you to adjust your budget. This flexibility allows you to stay on track and keep moving forward. Rule number 4, age your money. This rule is about breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. With YNAB, you aim to spend money you earned at least 30 days ago. This way, you're always a step ahead of your expenses. In essence, YNAB is not just a budgeting tool. It's a philosophy that encourages financial responsibility, foresight, flexibility, and independence. By following the YNAB method, you'll not only gain a clearer understanding of your spending habits, but you'll also build a healthier relationship with your money. So if you're looking to take control of your finances, why not give YNAB a try? Use the link in the description below for a 34-day free trial. It may just be the game changer you've been looking for. Remember, the key to financial freedom is not about earning more, but about managing what you have more effectively. And with YNAB's 4 rules, you'll be well on your way to achieving just that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. With Investopia Vision, learn, earn money, and repeat.